Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the stars of our Milky Way? Imagine a cosmic city, not of skyscrapers, but of galaxies. Welcome to the Virgo Cluster, a vast congregation of more than 1,000 galaxies, tightly bound by gravity and glowing across the electromagnetic spectrum. This isn't science fiction, it's the real structure that anchors our corner of the universe. The Virgo cluster lies about 55 million light years away from Earth in the direction of the constellation Virgo. It's not just a group of galaxies, it's the gravitational center of the Virgo supercluster, which includes our own local group and the Milky Way itself. So, in a sense, we're on the outskirts of this cosmic giant, like living in the suburbs of a galactic metropolis. Inside the Virgo cluster are over 1,300 confirmed galaxies, and possibly up to 2,000 in total. It's a mix of giant elliptical galaxies, spirals, and dwarf galaxies, all moving through a hot X-ray emitting plasma. Some of the most famous members include M87, a massive elliptical galaxy with a supermassive black hole at its center, the first ever imaged by humanity; M49, M86, and M100, each with unique features that teach us how galaxies evolve in dense environments. When astronomers measured the speed of galaxies in the Virgo cluster, they found something strange. The visible matter, stars and gas, isn't nearly enough to explain the gravitational pull keeping the cluster together. The answer: dark matter. This invisible substance makes up about 85% of the cluster's total mass, creating a gravitational glue that binds galaxies over millions of light years. The Virgo cluster is a cosmic laboratory. Here, we can watch galaxies being stripped of gas as they dive through the cluster's hot plasma, a process known as ram pressure stripping. We can see galaxies collide, merge, and transform. It's a place where we learn how environments shape the lives and deaths of galaxies. You might wonder, why should we care about a cluster so far away? Because it pulls on us, literally. The Milky Way is being drawn toward Virgo by its massive gravity, and studying this cluster helps us understand how cosmic structures formed after the Big Bang and how the cosmic web connects us all. From its black hole powered jets to its hidden dark matter, the Virgo cluster is one of the most important and fascinating objects in the nearby universe. It reminds us that we're part of something much bigger, a small spiral galaxy on the edge of a galactic empire. So next time you look up at the stars, remember there's a cosmic city out there and it's calling us home.